2 weeks ago, I shopped dry fish for my customers, especially who send me orders who are traveling abroad with this dry fish. I forgot to, share some of the highlights. And honestly, as I wanted to delete some of these videos, and I said, okay, let me just bring some of the highlights here and show you. Although I've deleted some of them, most of them has been deleted, but it's never late to share anything. So this is it, guys. I had fun shopping this fish. This fish, I spent over 500k to shop for 3 different people. You understand? So it was hell of time. I was so choked. It's not really easy to shop for good fish and package it and send it to the owner. So right now, fish are getting very, very expensive because we are going into rainy season. Very soon, it will be very, very scarce and also more expensive. The fish doesn't like the rain. So guys, enjoy this highlight for me as I compile this video for you to just see different kinds of assorted fish, that you can actually order and buy. You understand? Send me DMs, send me messages. There's no type that you cannot get, whether you can get catfish, any type, just name them. Different types assorted. Name them. They are all good to eat. Very, very sweet fish, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. And just in case someone asked if I can get pork meat for him, I said yes, that he needs it to be dried. And I did that for him, and it was very, very beautiful. So you can also order for pork meats. I will dry it for you and package it to anywhere that you are. Thank you, guys. Take care.
Your plate just rubber. You dey feel headaches all the time on one side of eye. When you feel it just rubber, when you let the seize every time just rubber. Mama, Papa, all your body must be clear. E works for brain. You pregnant woman when waist dey pain, e work the time on one side of eye. When you feel it just rubber, when you don't let the seize every time just rubber.
So which one is the one where you want to this
As for me, bonga fish should be a staple kind of protein where you don't actually need to break the bank.